Good afternoon, everyone! Your afternoon will surely be filled with not only good vibes, but kilig to the end power as well. Let's all welcome James and Devon!
Hello, everyone!
Hi, guys!
Yan. Natutulog pa si Devon, nagpapahinga pa. Let's also acknowledge the presence of our text promo winner, Johnson and Camille. Ano sila ngayon?
Yay!
Happy energy!
Mabuhay!
Ang taas ng energy ng mga winners natin sa text promo, ha? Hindi ko kinakaya. Ayan, and of course, hindi lang yon ang mangyayari today. Hindi na makakachat si James and Devon. You guys also have, di pa pwede sa manalo ng dog tag?
Yes, the dog tag.
Yes. Who of two? Dalawa sa ating mga chatters ang pwedeng manalo ng GB dog tag. Kailangan lang masagot ng tama ang ating mga trivias for the day. And our first trivia for the day is, who sang the GB theme song? Yan, napakadali ah. Who sang the GB theme song? Ayan, kailangan natin ng clue from James and Devon.
It looks like Zac Efron, Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber!
There, ayan, may clue na
And
kayo
his
ah.
feet
Kaya,
smell really nice.
I'm sorry. Hindi ko kaya.
Kaya guys, send in your full name, your answer, your address, your email ad, and your contact number at baka ikaw ang mapili namin na manalo ng GB dog tag. And that
Yes.
will be announced later sa kalagitnaan ng ating chat. Ayan, let's start off with a question from Janelle. Ayan, medyo deep and serious nung question niya. To James and Devon, how's your relationship with each other changed since when you were inside the PBB house and now that you're outside and even became a love team? Yeah. Did you hear the question?
I'm sorry, what?
Ay!
You're not
What
really
was the
paying
question?
attention.
What?
Come again.
I hate you. Here's the question. From Janelle, how's your relationship with each other changed since when you were inside the PBB house and now that you're outside and even became a love team? So how are you with each other before and now?
Hi, Janelle.
Janelle ba? Ah, Janelle.
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 After PBB, yeah, we've gotten much closer, I guess. Definitely because of the love team, but also our projects bring us closer together. I mean, we see each other like maybe 4 times a week, right?
Yes.
About 4 times a week.
Nag-PS na ako dito.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we're close friends.
And okay. Thank you so much.
I think I answered for both of us.
Oo nga, yun din. Yun din yun sa akin. Tatagalugin ko.
Tagalogin mo. For the other chatters who can't understand James' Aussie accent.
Oo nga. Ano, nung since PBB, ngayon, mas closer kami ngayon kasi lagi kami magka-eksena, kami yung love team, and lagi ko nakikita yung pagmumukha niya.
Parang ayaw mo. It's as if you don't like seeing the face of James.
Hindi! Ano nga, pogi nga eh. Kaya compliment yun, friend ah. Hindi, yun. Friends kami, close friends kami until now.
Okay. May pinractice akong sagot dyan in Aussie accent. Kaso
Oo
it
nga.
sounded better in my head ata. Ayoko na sabihin.
Ah!
Nakakatawa si James.
Hindi!
Ayan, next question naman. Sabi, define, this is for James, I think. James, define Devon, Andy, and Trisha. What are their differences and their qualities that you like best?
First of all,
A.
Devon. Okay, yeah, in the alphabet. Okay. Anne is she's cool. She's fun to hang out with. I can relate to her. She's cool, fun, personality. Devon, she's fun to be around. Like even just when she's in the room, everyone smiles and laughs just because. Even if you don't find her jokes funny, she'll laugh. She'll laugh anyway. So. Yeah, she's just fun to have around. Trisha. What?
You can't find words.
Wala.
Yeah, Man, I can't find the words. Trish has always been a good friend. I mean, we're close in PBB, although we don't see much of each other now, just because we don't have projects together. I mean, I don't see much of Anne either now either. But yeah, Trish has always been a good friend.
Yes, and now a question for Devon. Since they asked James to define the 3 girls in his life, how about you define, you give us the characteristics that you like most about Sam, Enrique, James, and Ivan.
Oy! Dagdag isa! Ay, daw ko sa'yo. Ano? Wala akong masyadong masagot siya.
Okay, who's first? Enrique.
Enrique. Enrique,
His nice hair.
Ano? Enrique, mabait naman talaga siya. Lagi kaming Oo! Bakit? Ba't ka nagkakano ha? Teka lang, ako muna. Ayun si Enrique, ano naman, lagi kami nagkakatuwaan. Ayun. Masaya siyang kasama. Kasi, nagkakaanuhan kami ng jokes. Nagpapalitan kami, lalo na kasi nagbibisaya kami doon. Yun. Si Sam naman, for me talaga si Sam eh. Kahit sino talaga siya, comfortable talaga siya sa lahat ng girls doon. Marami siyang close girl na, babaeng kaibigan. So, wala lang, palabiro din siya. So, okay lang. So, and James, ay mamaya ka na. Ivan! Si Ivan naman, bakit? Si Ivan naman, talagang, close friend ko siya. Lagi ko siyang, like, siya open kami sa, isa. So, parang, doon ako nagsasabi minsan na secrets ko. Yun. So, siya, parang ko siyang, one of my best buddies, yun. And si James.
Finally,
lastly. Si James naman, ano bang masasabi ko sa'yo? Ayun. Si James naman, siya. Ay, kahit sa mga taong hindi siya kilala masyado kasi sinasabi na, daw, parang,
snob,
gano'n. Oo, yung mga, tumitingin na sa, akala nila snob siya, lagi, gano'n. And, masungit, gano'n.
Maybe it's because they don't understand what he's saying. Because he has such a thick accent.
He's supposed to be saying good things about me. Like,
Oo, yun nga! Teka lang, hindi pa ako tapos. Wait. Ayun, pero kapag nakilala mo naman siya, din siya, parang, kalog din, lumalabas yung siya talaga, talaga siya, funny din siya, minsan. Okay. Minsan. Hindi, oo. Lumalabas
So
din
he's
yung
not funny most of the time.
who laughs at their own jokes?
Yun.